Good morning, dear students. We have finished with lesson number 8, that is looping statements. Now, lesson number 9 is surfing the net. Net means what? It is related to the word internet. Everybody is aware about the word internet. Why we use internet? What is the use of internet? What the things we can do using the internet? Basic thing which you have done in the lockdown period, that is learning through the internet, right? Online learning that happened just with the help of internet. Now the question is that, now see here the students are talking, like suppose cousin is in America and she wants to send whatever project has been made by her to her friend who is staying in America. Can she do it? Yes. Just you need to upload the things. Upload the things, attach the file. If you have the Gmail account, you can share with the help of Gmail account. Everybody is aware. Now you have written paper was there. What you did, you have just send the PDF. You have created a PDF of that and send it via the Gmail. Like you just attach the file, right? I will show you. If you even if you have not done it, your parents have did it. So I will just show it to you. Now what is internet? Internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks, or simply a network of network computers or other electronic devices. Means whatever information is there that can be accessible to each and every user all over the world. Suppose I am searching, suppose I have opened the website, that is www.google.com. If I am searching some information over here, it's not like that ki I cannot search the same information sitting at the abroad. Suppose the person is staying in America, the same information can be searched over there also. The same things will be there because we use the domain, that is we use the word www, that is web. It is a collection of different websites that can be accessed through the internet. If you are using the website having www, that means it can be accessed all over the world. The computers on the internet are connected to each other through a global network of physical cables. See, in the previous times, nowadays there is a Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, the internet facilities are there. Previous times what was the rule for taking the internet? First we have to take the telephone connection, then the requirement of modem was there, then the cables were there. First telephone connection, that wire we used to connect to the cable, then from the to the modem, and from the modem another wire that will be connected to the computer. So this was the way to take the internet connection. Nowadays there is a Wi-Fi, so just router is the thing we need for the internet connection. When we visit a website, the computer sends a request over these wires to a server. A server is a large computer where websites are stored. In wherever you go, there is a server. Even if companies are there, even if in a computer lab there is a server, PC is there. It's a large where all websites are stored. Even if you lose any data from one PC because they are attached with the help of internet connection networks, if you lose some information from the any of the PCs connected together, that can be taken back with from the server. Now web browsers, see, if you don't have a web browser in your PC, what is the use of internet connection? There is no use. You cannot search for the information, you cannot open the Gmail, right? Now see, inbuilt, that is Microsoft Internet Explorer was the previous one, but some websites doesn't support, so that's why we use Google Chrome. Mozilla Firefox is there nowadays, Apple Safari and Opera. That means web browser is a software application used to locate, retrieve and display content on the World Wide Web. If browser is not there, how come I will put the www.google.com? Because the browser should be there, so that I will have the address bar to put the website address. Website address means what? That we will see. Now see, URL. URL is nothing but the address of the website. What is the long form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator. That means if you want to load any web page, you need to put URL in the address bar. Now here it is written over there www.history.com, or we say www.google.com, that we need to put in the address bar. You get, once you open the browser, at the address bar at the top below title bar there is a address bar open, there you can put www.google.com, then you will get a window open of Google. That means, and .com is what? That is nothing but a domain name. Different domain names are there, .com, .org, .gov, .in, .uk. That is depends. Suppose you are related to government website is there. Now suppose pcmc.gov.in. That means what? This is the Pune Chinswad Mahanagarpalika government, that comes under India. So this is related to the government. So the name domain will be chosen according to the organization or domain or commercial purpose India. Now Amazon, www.amazon.in, because Amazon is the worldwide company. We use in India, that time we use .in. So this is regarding the URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Then it is the address of the website. Now HTML is what? See here the word HTML. HTML is a markup language. What is the long form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. HTML is a set of codes used to display text, images, videos, etc. on a World Wide Web. You have learned about the basic language, you have learned about the logo language. In that basic language, we have learned about some programming like a graphic. Then in the last year, you have learned about the arithmetic programs like addition, subtraction. But suppose if you have your own business and you want to develop your own website. Now Google is a website. You take Gmail is a website. These are the websites. Suppose you want to create your own website, that can be done with the help of HTML. In that we can insert images of your business, videos, text, whatever text can be moved. That all the things are there. On that HTML there are 3 lessons in A standard. So you will learn to make beautiful web page in A standard. Each web page contains several connections to other web pages called hyperlinks. See, sometimes now what happens, on the particular web page you will get a blue colored word. That means there is a linking to the another web page. If you just click on that, you will be shifted to another web page on the internet. That means there is a connection. So that linking can be happened with the help of hyperlink. That hyperlinks can be provided with the help of HTML. Uploading and downloading. Everybody is many things you might have downloaded in the lockdown period. So everybody is using this thing, mobile. We send some things, you download it, PDFs are downloaded, then you store it in your computer or your mobile. Uploading means what? Now the thing which you have done with the help of, you send the PDF file. So that got uploaded, that attachment got uploaded on a provided email address. That was the JPS, whatever the address was given to you, right? So that means downloading means receiving data or file from the internet on our computer, and uploading means sending data or file from our computer to somewhere on the internet. Many of the times you go going somewhere on a trip, you know. If your parents Facebook or something is there, then they upload the photographs on the Facebook. That is uploading. If you want to download some photographs, if you have got any attachment like photographs have come, so you need to download the photographs. That means then that photographs will be saved to your computer. So that is called as downloading. Next things we will learn in the next session. Thank you, students.